Ki Bor District Jongkari Bhoi Hadian Balathawai ke District LPG Supply Monitoring Committee Bala Shongru ya ke Jialang Baningkong Mintagasni Hapdeng Udisi ke Ribhoi Lembar ki officer Bat Kunjuru ki Naomi Khmat na ki gas agency ban yakren ban mirjingmut hak bayade bat ke jingpin biang ya ki tendong shet jingshen sha ki Paidpah Namar ke jing sapriang jong ki kubor kerduk gas, nakaliang ki Paidpah minta kesngi nadu Dangstep, kilalet ban yang lain jaka pinlum tendong gas jong ke MS Ri-Bhoi Gas Agency, kabadan hagisnong mautunum, ban upline ban yo iki tendong gas. Habakrenj kilat pathai kubor, nakaliang u Abhilash Baranwal Deputy Commissioner, ke Ri-Bhoi ulo pintem, ba ke jingwan poi ke gas minta kalah yar bha, habanu jor bat kipor baladem, kebelawan ra Jingeh ha ke jingpin biang sya ki Paidpah. Ulo ongru, bala betha iki gas agency, pakin pin kre ya kathup kerteng jong kinong pindon kam commercial cylinder, kenang banla ban pinyat bet ya kasam Paidpah, bat ban pintikna, ba ke jingdon kam jong ki binta bapher kalong kababiang. Shushu nakaliang utrai jong ke MS Ri-Bhoi Gas Agency uba Victor Max Rinja ulo ong baki Paidpah kim day ban sngokya ne sha pin kulmar jingmut halor ke jingbom yo gas ha ki ni kisngi namar ki company ki papin biang ya ka supply kila pintikna bakam don satya ke jingkerdo gas Henry ulo ong ba ke jingwan poi ke khamsuki bat duna kat ba kinong pindon kam kila lang bon bat ke jingpoi gas kam dap kumbalabok dah ki Paidpah.
Ni yo kata assurance pa tamdan da kata jing duna stock tapi di depan India problem pi pamdi tangan yang kaya tingin yang notice ni te ke company hi kai le ka bala ben bahkan sabtang ni kan ka mari ban resort mon nam sa project di Paidpah ta daw ni imdan da kata jing duna stock tamalong no kani ka jing stock jing mata ni hari bhai tam halo ni yo lai hajatli ka booking kaduna pi ka jing yo jongi taro ka iduna kan men supply te nadu men Friday ro kamyo te ngirang syom tasni te gidan du la hajar booking te atok te kala duna mengin supply profile la hajar ta tai to men on duna te ngiyo assurance to ni to pamna na pa duna
oh kamdam kana na te kumba te ka kompoi gasen
gasta ka kumbo ngai pi men Friday ngiyo men Saturday ngiyo last te mata kasi nadu Friday nadu men Saturday nang issue am tasni meaning by this whole week ngiyo tam tasni kataro ka poitang arteli katro te ajar mo beri ba booking ta te ka dunai ka kun poita customer base jang aru gidi buan gidi kinan gidi PMU wai te gini kala pemi ka to protocol bat khamai ba kini ki ba yo dang show gas mata ki yo ban adin 45 days ki yo gas ben ya asam jenjar kini kata ru 45 days ka simpori ki begini yo gas ben begini yo ban refill ben te gini protocol mata ru kala asam jenjar yengi bangin supply pet baru jadi macam time ya tan mi meeting bat DC supply department bat ka company ru haju ko komunitas ni ru kada bejir ngidan meeting tentang kan LPG crisis ngidan menta karam baki Paidpah kin yo kan katuka kam tami hami kali ajengi Ri-Bhoi jongi mungkin lebih sufficient stock mah mungkin lebih supply Paidpah ya kata ka jongi ta ni ditang nang supply esok na te nakalian jongi ta ditang man approach pe ki heki kan mungkin tu mau menyerap ini bangin yo pendukung kan Paidpah mungkin nang spokesperson jongi public ya tai min jongi ta menta nama ka jongi indan jongi ka ding order jongi ding indan ben yo order ben maksi kini ka hukum supply jongi supply chain jongi ke mental pendapat labun mas ko ito ki Paidpah kreatif lawan pe hagu daun jongi kita jongi la jenja ban mina bro no te ka apa ka de ka panic booking jongi bro te ka turu ka wan pen jenja jongi haban print not kani ka receipt te bun sin ngi check pat gidi itu bila labio gas te atoma sistem jongi pat ngi hap ni jelo bayaki te gitu gibreu gidi ban yo kimyo su alam ta tanah ada gibreu di panik alam kilang panik booking nyele ka ban lahi ban pustu na kaliang jongi dani ka awareness ban omba wajib saya ka gas kan poi pet na ni te ban man bu gas ngi bu na ba ki Paidpah gi don kam so ngiru ka di business jongi mungkin subuh untuk dan kimo agensi ban hot i untuk nam tip kita mengipat nyele ban ai be Paidpah Masan penting yang bejaki nambah ngimkwa ka ba. Unta maba siya tatiu kamtam ni kena school bikilet. School A kamtam ini for exam ni college. Na school A. Tai maksay dun. Sa kawiru long keting edungi long kaniki kamu mostly yang sungai pi kadi booking ni ba penslaing ta. Na bagi brio ti kita alam panik alam melempor corona to. Alam panik palam. Tamading siya kastok kabyang bagi ngita mas niyo ila private hospital.
So, as we understand, because of the international reasons, LPG cylinders are indeed in short supply as compared to the previous situation, as compared to the normal situation. However, as per the instructions of the government of Meghalaya, we have formed one district LPG supply monitoring committee. And we had our first meeting today itself, wherein we took stock of all the requirements that have been placed with the gas agencies. We also took stock of the current stock position of all the gas agencies. Simultaneously, we have asked them to give us the list of all the commercial consumers so that we can prioritize the commercial users especially. From what I have been given to understand, yes, there have been certain times when the domestic consumers have been returned, but as of now, the government has placed a restriction that any urban consumer can only get a cylinder after 25 days of the previous cylinder, and simultaneously a rural consumer can only get it after 45 days of the previous cylinder. What we have directed the gas agencies is that they must make sure that those who are in need should not be returned. Simultaneously, the government norms to have to be followed because they are bound by that. But apart from that, it should be strictly on a first come, first serve basis so that there is no opportunism, there is no favoritism that is taking place, and justice is done to everyone so that nobody is unjustly deprived of their legitimate rights of the gas cylinders. So the shortage is on both fronts, both the domestic as well as commercial. The supply is relatively lesser as what it used to be. However, I appeal to all the consumers that they need not panic. The government is trying to make sure that all the domestic as well as consumer commercial needs are met, and it's just that we want to request to the public to have some patience and abide by the norms that have been set in, that is of 25 days and 45 days for urban and rural consumers.